Good morning everyone. I'm Shaheen.
Namaste, I am Sujata Patel. Shaheen, we should wish our students first. Happy International Yoga Day.
Of course, why not? Lotus Yoga Center wishes all our students, family, friends and well-wishers a very happy International Yoga Day. In fact, yoga makes every day a celebration, a happy day, isn't it?
Yoga is more than 5,000-year-old philosophy with various techniques for our physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being.
After UN declared June 21st as International Yoga Day, yoga has spread to many more countries in the world.
Yes, Shaheen, you are right. Despite of COVID-19, yoga is taught and practiced all over the world with help of modern technology.
Friends, we have gathered here today to celebrate International Yoga Day, which we have been doing since 2015 at our Lotus Yoga Center.
This year, our ever enthusiastic students has prepared gift for us. So let's start the celebration.
Namaste. I am demonstrating candle gazing. Namaste.
I'm going to demonstrate Bhastrika Pranayama. We will demonstrate Surya Namaskar. First step, Namaste.
Second step, Hasta Uttar, back bend.
Third step, Hasta Padasana, forward bend. Fourth step, Ashwasanchalan.
फिफ्थ स्टेप ऑफ सूर्य नमस्कार, अधोमुखो और पर्वतासन.
It's the sixth step, Astang Namaskar.
Seventh step, Bhujangasana.
Eighth step, Adhomukho Parvat.
Ninth step, Aswasanchalan.
Tenth step, Hasta Padasana.
11th step Hasta Uttan back bend.
Last 12th step of Surya Namaskar, Namaste.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much for taking so much of effort and making this.
Shine, I am sure our viewers must be interested to know more about Lotus Yoga Center.
Yes, surely. Here we go. Friends, age and health issues are mental blocks. Strong intentions is all we need to overcome all the hurdles.
We keep that thing in our mind. We make difficult asana easy by using props like chair, pillow, theraband and bat. Our students are enjoying our group session and it is lots of motivating factor for them to attend our classes.
Pranayams and meditations are essential part of Ashtanga Yoga, which we regularly practice in our class, helping in improving our immunity, increase the energy level, and induce peace in the mind.
was really excellent. Well done. We are so happy that our students has learned so many things.
One of the four pillars of yoga is vihar, which means rest and recreation. At Lotus Yoga Center, we have lots of fun activities with our students, like celebrating our annual day, International Women's Day, celebrating festivals, going for picnic, and also playing meaningful games. Thus, we enjoy life.
Exciting, isn't it? We believe in living life fully. Let's hear what our student has to say about it.
As we grow old, our physical as well as mental ability and flexibility becomes less and less. On realizing this, I joined yoga class. And what I realized is that as I started learning yoga regularly, the very difficult asana, which I was not able to do at all before, I have been able to perform very gracefully. And as we enter our yoga class, the positive aura of a yoga class immediately relaxes our mind. And as we settle down in our mats to start our yoga practice, start our asanas, the outside world difficulties immediately recede from our mind and our mind becomes very calm. While performing yoga asanas, we are taught by our teachers that when we are doing yoga asanas, we don't even are doing our just physical exercise. We are taught that what is the meaning of doing each and every exercise and how it is benefiting us mentally as well as physically. So with the result, while doing yoga, we are not doing only physical exercises. We are growing physically as well as mentally. At Lotus Yoga Center, when we are learning asanas, when there are certain difficult asanas which some of us are not able to perform because of our physical limitations, we are taught alternative steps, that the same yoga steps you can do holding a chair against a wall and having almost the same benefits. So therefore, our two teachers at Lotus Yoga Center, Miss Shaheen and Miss Sujata, are not only making us physically and mentally fit, and during meditation, we are also becoming spiritually more evolved. What else I can ask for? Thank you.
हेलो, नमस्ते। मैं मिजल भट्ट लोटस योगा सेंटर में मैं जाती हूँ। मैं 23 ईयर्स से मुझे रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस है, पर मुझे डॉक्टर्स ने बताया कि आप योगासन प्राणायाम में आप जाइए और वहाँ पे आपको उसमें फ़र्क गिरेगा। तो मैं वहाँ पे क्लास चालू किया और मैंने तो पहले सोचा था मैं खाली प्राणायाम का क्लास करूँगी, पर वहाँ पे जाके मुझे टीचर ने बताया कि आप जितना कर सको उतना करिए। एक ही टाइम में मुझे एक प्राणायाम क्लास में मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैंने दोनों क्लास ज्वाइन कर दिया और मैं 1 महीने तक मेरे में फ़र्क गिरने लगा। मेरे टीचर्स और मेरे साथ में जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं सब क्लास के, वो सब लोग मुझे इतना हेल्प करते थे। मैं पहले एक ही पग से चलती थी और दूसरे पग से मुझे तकलीफ़ होती थी, तो भी मेरे 1-1.5 महीने में मेरे में इतना चेंजेस आ गई। मैं कॉन्फिडेंस हो गई, मेरे लिए कॉन्फिडेंस हो गई मैं, और मेरे में बहुत मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलने लगा। इसके लिए मुझे भी अच्छा लगा। मैं कहीं भी जा सकती हूँ और अकेले ही जा सकती हूँ। अभी सब साथ में क्लास में जब मैं बैठते हैं सब लोग साथ में बहुत ही मज़ा करते हैं, इसके लिए अच्छा लगता है क्लास में। ओके,
Thank you all our students. Lotus Yoga Center is a big family and we wish to continue this beautiful relationship for many more years to come. Namaste.
We are eagerly looking forward to start our physical class. Till then, stay connected to Lotus through online classes. We are ending our celebration here. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.